So, you've learned what Bitcoin is. You understand how it works. And now you're wondering, how do I actually buy Bitcoin? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to buy Bitcoin. Step by step. Let's go. Think of a crypto exchange like a vending machine for Bitcoin. You give it money, it gives you Bitcoin. Some trusted platforms these days include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp. Always check which ones are legal in your country. You'll also find links to recommended exchanges in the description below. Pick one, sign up, and verify your identity. It's like showing your ID before buying something valuable. Once your account is ready, deposit money. Most platforms accept bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and Apple Pay or Google Pay. It's just like topping up a gift card, only you're buying Bitcoin instead of candy. Now you're ready to buy. You'll usually see two options: market order, which means buying instantly at the current price, and limit order, where you wait until the price hits your target. For beginners, just start with a small market order to get the hang of it. After buying, your Bitcoin sits in the exchange wallet, but that's like leaving cash on the counter. Better to move it to your own wallet. As we explained in the episode Bitcoin Wallets Explained, you can use mobile wallets, hardware wallets, or cold storage, depending on your needs and how secure you want to be. Congrats! You bought your first Bitcoin. Now keep learning. Don't chase hype, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Start small, stack smart. Bitcoin isn't just for techies anymore. With the right tools and clear guidance, anyone can start stacking. Even you. Subscribe for more simple and practical Bitcoin videos every week right here on Block and Learn.